Okay, I posted a video earlier on my ICOM 7000 19100 tuner that I'm bringing for Yellowstone. I've decided I'm going to bring my Drake shortwave radio. SW8 Drake Worldband shortwave receiver. I'm listening to China Radio International right now in English. It's all the way from China. Listen. Of course, I have an antenna 30 foot above the house there, but I showed on the other video the G5 RV I'm bringing that I can string in the trees out there, and I'm going to get a long wire for this too, 100-foot long wire for an antenna. Just need a 100-foot wire, hook it in the back. Yeah, I'm going to bring this one too, what the heck.
The first set, 1 to 6, but the former one, number 1,
Drake, SW8.
Two sets, 6-2, 6-3. Yeah, pretty good little tournament there for Sharapova. She, of course, defeated Lina in the quarterfinals to advance into the final there, so good on her. Thank you very much, Alexander. 15 minutes past the hour. Let's check in with the world of entertainment, and we'll start you off in Europe, where Austrian drag queen Conchita Wurst has been proclaimed the winner of this year's Eurovision Song Contest. 25-year-old, whose real name is Tom Newworth, taking the top prize with a James Bond-like theme ballad, Rise Like a Phoenix.
This Eurovision family is a family I ever wanted to join, because this project is based on tolerance, acceptance, and love. And so it really felt like coming home, actually. And I know there is a different rule besides the Eurovision Song Contest, but I believe that also the people outside of the Eurovision think, hopefully, in the way I do.
Only Austria's second victory in the competition. Singer from the Netherlands coming in second.
Not a bad signal there.
Came in third. Not a terrible song, to be honest with you, Alex. No.
I looked it up on a shortwave site I use. I knew it was China Radio International anyway. After a while you learn, but there it is. China Radio International 9570. And it's broadcast right now in English out of Zurich. I'm going to miss having this website, because when I'm up in the in the national forest up in Montana outside of Yellowstone there's no cell phone, there's no internet, there's no anything, which is really cool though, to be in an area where I'll be doing HF radio, shortwave radio, when you don't have access to any stuff, and this stuff always works. That's the beauty of it, so I'm kind of excited about that.
I love all the physical parts of it. I love, the fights, and I love it's very different from that.
Well, I got a new QSL card today I want to show. I've been slowly getting them in the mail. Kilo 4 Delta Mike Sierra. Our QSO was on 8/3/2014. That would have been August. Oh, it was that middle school I talked to, Somerville, South Carolina. That's nice of them. See, I need to send. And I got one from Baffin Bay, Texas. Kilo Golf 5 Alpha Yankee Delta. There's my old plate, my license plate, until I got my new one. And I also got, I do EQSL on the internet. I don't do the hard QSLs, but some people send them. There's one I got up there from Ensenada, California, Nebraska. My buddy at N5GLR. Got this one out of San Jacinto, California. I need to bring this with me on my trip. My Mediterranean DX Club. I know it's stuck in there.
Email us us at newsplus@cri.com.cn or get in touch with us the old-fashioned way.
CRI stands for China Radio International.
English service. China Radio International. Beijing, China.
Beijing, baby. Beijing.
CRI News Plus Radio. Where what you say.
Good old Drake. Great bass sounding to the speaker, too.
CRIEnglish.com. Definitive stuff for everything you've ever wanted to know about China. You want up-to-date analysis, amazing video reports, live video, and the odd laugh along the way?
Affecting our family breed.
Live coverage for Congress. Log on to CRIEnglish.com and get to know the Middle Kingdom. CRIEnglish.com. You're listening to CRI News Plus Radio. Email us at newsplus@cri.com.cn or get in touch with us the old-fashioned way. Pick up a pen and write to us. Our address is English Service, China Radio International, Beijing, China. Postal code 10040. CRI News Plus Radio, where what you say matters. Gain a new perspective by visiting CRIEnglish.com.